Good day, everyone. David Paul speaking. I'm the Managing Director of VectorVest here in the UK. And just a quick video to show you that it doesn't have to be difficult to find shares that are just about to move in strong momentum moves. This is Lion Trust Asset Management. The price of the share is in the normal candlestick format in the middle of the chart. Now the thick green line above the price is the proprietary VectorVest valuation, and as you can see, during the last year, I've loaded a year's worth of data, that the share is trading significantly below the VectorVest valuation, and the only way to make money in anything, folks, is to find the value of something and pay less for it. So there is a margin of safety here in LIO.L. Now the blue line study in the window below the price is in fact earnings per share, the amount of profit the company makes per share out there, and that has grown significantly over the period, especially in the last few months, since August. Now since August the share has been moving in what technicians would refer to as a sideways pattern, in fact a triangular pattern, and within the pattern, earnings per share is growing strongly, and VectorVest pushed the share onto a buy recommendation a few days ago, and the share has moved from about £7.90 to over £9 in that move. I think there's still quite a long way to go. So what we're looking for is undervalued shares, shares that are growing their earnings strongly, and when they move onto a buy recommendation, then that's a relatively easy place to actually make some quick money. Thank you very much indeed.